my dear students. I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Rama Faraz. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your schoolwork. So today we will continue the same chapter, chapter number 4, and topic is addition from page number 45. Everyone turn on page number 45. Let's start our work. First we will do question number 2, add 100, tens and ones. First we will add ones. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Answer is 5. Now we will add tens. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is 565. Everybody understand? Yes, very good. Now we will do question number 2. First we will add ones, then tens and then ones. 0 plus 2, answer will be 2. Now we will add tens. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So now we will add 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Answer is 692. 6 hundreds, 9 tens and 2 ones. Well done class. Now you have to do question C and D on your own in your book with the help of your mother. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good morning my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Again I am here to teach you the same topic, chapter 4, and topic is addition. So we will start from question number E. Okay, from the same page, page 45. Let's start our work. Now we will add ones. 3 plus 4. What will be the answer? Okay, let's start. Let's draw some flowers here. Then we will count. First I will draw 3 flowers. And then we will add 4 more flowers here. 3 and 4. Now let's count all together. 1, 2, 3 plus 4. What comes after 3? 4. 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what is the answer? The answer is 7. We will write here 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Well done class. Now we will add tens. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Now we will add hundreds. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. We will draw 6 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will add one more heart here. What comes after 6? It's 7. So again we will write number 7 here. So the answer is 7, 5, 7. 7 hundreds, 5 tens and 7 ones. Well done class. Now we will do F. Question number F. Question number it's
कोई बात नहीं अच्छा एक और
Good morning dear students. Now we will do question number 2. Let's read question number 2 from book and page 46. Rana counted 129 buttons in one box and 240 buttons in the other box. How many buttons in all did Rana count? So we will solve this statement. Number of buttons in one box is 129. Number of buttons in the other box is 240. Let's count all together. First we will add ones. 9 plus 1 is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So what is the answer? 369. Well done. Now we will write the answer in full statement. Answer is Rana counted 369 39 buttons all together. Now, my dear children, you have to do question number 3 and 4 from page 46 on your own or with the help of your mother. God bless you. Have a good day. Good morning, dear children. Today we will learn about addition by solving word problems from page 46. So let's start from question number 1. We will read the statement. There are 333 men and 243 women working in an office. How many people were working in the office in all? Let's solve the question. Number of women in an office: 333. Number of men in an office: 243. Now, what is next? How many people are there all together? We have to find out how many people are working in an office all together. Now we will add them and we will write here in this box 100, tens and ones. We will add 3 ones plus 3 ones. What will be the answer? Answer will be 6. Now we will add tens. 3 tens plus 4 tens. Answer will be 7. Now we will add hundreds. 3 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. Answer will be 5. So what is the answer? 576. Now we will write the answer. There are 576 people in the office all together. Well done, class.